In this step-by-step video, I will show you something that I do myself every single day. Okay, I try to find winning products to list on my eBay store, and that's exactly what I did just yesterday. I listed less than 50 products on this store. Let me just show you the store name. Um, and I have right now I'm managing over 30 stores. 30 stores, and they are all getting sales. Okay, there is not a single one that is like I listed yesterday less than 50 products on this store, and as you can see, I already got 8 sales um yesterday. Okay, just woke up and then I checked the account, I found 8 sales, and the profit was around, like, I made like profit, probably made like $30, $40 profit. Okay, that's how much I made just using a new account with no feedback, literally no feedback. It was only created, as you can see. Let me show you here about page. As you can see, it's a new account, as you can see here. So I'm doing this over and over. This is not something new to me. I'm just showing exactly what I can do in just one day. Okay, I listed the products, literally 47 products, as you can see. So today's video is about how to find winning products. Okay, so I will show you exactly what you need to do to find winning products. Okay, whether you are dropshipping from Amazon, from Walmart, from AliExpress. Right now I'm dropshipping from AliExpress. By the way, if you want me to do this for you, done for you, grow your store with guaranteed sales, you can just contact me on Instagram. By the way, okay, you can just contact me and I can coach you, I can provide you with full mentorship, and I will not leave you until you start to make money on eBay. Now, going back to the video, as you can see here, like, we have some products here. By the way, these products are usually drop shipped from Walmart. Okay, so let me check here. So if you, for example, yeah, this product, for example, it's drop shipped from Walmart. I know for a fact because my, like, over and over and over, you see something, you understand exactly where it's coming from. So as you can see, this one is dropship from Walmart, and I can show you exactly what I mean. So I'm going to go to Walmart. By the way, this doesn't apply only to dropshippers. This video will help you even if you are doing something completely different. Okay, I am just trying to help everyone, dropshippers, not dropshippers, people that are selling used items. This will help you. Okay, I will try to give you a lot of value in this video. So as you can see, this one is selling for $37, but on eBay it's selling for $75. Okay, so there is some profit here, around like $20 profit after eBay takes all the fees. Now the thing is, okay, is to focus on 3 sales in the last 30 days to even consider that product to list it on your store. Now, how you can know if this product has 3 sales in the last 30 days? Now, you need to download this extension. It helps you a lot. Okay, this extension will help you to find if this product. By the way, this product is this. This video is sponsored by Zik Analytics, which I tried it and it works. If it didn't work, I will not mention it on my channel. By the way, if something is not helping me, I'm not going to mention it to people, right? Like, never. So as you can see, this product has 0 sales in the last 30 days, and that's exactly what you need to focus on. You need to focus on 3 sales in the last 30 days. This one has 0. So the extension name that will help you show you data is just search for Zik Analytics extension. And as you can see, this is the extension. Click on download for free, and this is the extension. eBay sold history button, see item purchase. There is also a video, as you can see, that is explaining exactly how the extension works, but I will show you exactly how it works right now. Okay, so if you are dropshipping from AliExpress, you can do the exact same thing. Okay, I'm going to show you what I mean exactly. Just go to eBay. Okay, go to eBay, find a random product, click on see all to see all the products that are here. Find a random product, for example, this product. For example, this one has 11 total sold. Okay, we don't want to focus on that. We want to focus on 3 sales in the last 30 days. And this is qualified, as you can see. It has 3 sales. If it has more, that's even better. But this one has 3 sales, which is a very, very good thing. Okay, so because this one has 3 sales in the last 30 days, that's a good sign that we can actually list this exact product on our store. Now this is from AliExpress. I'm just going to click on search on AliExpress. It will show me the exact same product. I'm actually drop shipping this product right now. So it cost $4. As you can see here, it costs $4, but on eBay I'm selling it for like $11, as you can see. Okay, so this is qualified 3 sale in the last 30 days. By the way, you can search for anything. For example, shoes. Okay, find the product that you want to dropship and you already found the supplier, then you can click on it. Okay, click on it, check if it has 3 sales in the last 30 days. This one does not have 3 sales in the last 30 days, so we don't want to bother with it. This one, let me check this one. This one has literally 5,000 in the last 30 days. These products are rare, but I get exactly why this happened, because this is actually from big company, which is Adidas, as you can see here. So we cannot dropship these products, or we cannot sell this product without permission. Okay, so you get the idea. It's very, very simple. Just search for whatever product. For example, this product, for example, has 2 sales in the last 30 days, which is bad. We want over 3 sales in the last 30 days. You can also scan this store. For example, if you find a good product, and you want to check the competitor's store, the whole products, you want to see other products that he is selling, you can just use this tool. It says here view competitor, and it will show you more data. It will show you revenue in the last 30 days, which is in this case $18,000. Active listings, sold items. He sold over 1,000 products, which is good. Okay, here you will be able to see, if you scroll down, as you can see, it says here sold items. Here, if you click on save to watch list, and then you go to your own account on Zik Analytics, here click on competitor waiting list, you will be able to find all the competitors here. So for example, this one, you want to click here. As you can see, we have added this one. Now to make this easier, you just need to click on the username. Okay, and then what you need to do, click on about, and then scroll down, and then copy this username, go to Zik Analytics, and then click on competitor research, enter it here. It will show you all the products that are sold in the last 30 days. Now you can custom this. For example, 30 days sales, you want to enter minimum they can show me is 3 sales in the last 30 days. That's exactly what I do to find winning products. That's exactly what I do to go from $0 to $10,000 on many stores. Okay, so here it will show you only products that are already selling. This one has literally over 100 sales in the last 30 days, which is very, very good, as you can see. So this makes it very, very easy. Instead of going to store, doing this manually, it's much easier for you, as you can see here. So that's exactly how you can find trending products easily and list them on your eBay. Okay, you can just, for example, you can use this tool for basically any supplier's website. If you are using Amazon, AliExpress, Walmart, this will be helpful for you. Okay, so yeah, hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.